Okay, hello everybody. Welcome to the Rossless mobile phone apps session. My name is Giora. I'm a pre-sale engineer at Rossless Security Products, and thank you for joining us on this presentation. But before we start with the presentation itself and dive into details, let's talk a little about Rossler. We've been in the access control business since the 80s. 35 years of experience in the security area. We specialize in access control, though we also have a couple of other product lines, but access control is our core business. We have in-house R&D teams, and all the design and manufacturing are fully done in-house using world-class manufacturing facilities. Our development is done basically at three major locations: USA in North America, China, and Israel. Our primary markets are commercial entities, government institutions, educational facilities, along with other public and private businesses. As to our worldwide presence, we are an Israeli-based company, though our major headquarters is based in Hong Kong. So truly we can say that the sun never sets on Rossler, as we have offices across the globe, so we really have a worldwide presence. We have several places throughout China, while our main factory and the Chinese sales office is located in Shenzhen. We also have big presence in India that gives us a full operation for supporting sales in India. And in Israel, we have our operation for Europe and our development team. As to North America, our North American headquarters is just outside of Dallas. And in Dallas, Texas, we have also development and our US operation. As you can see on the map, we have also two other locations in South America for sales and support in Colombia and Argentina, and some of the Pacific countries as well. Your mobile is your new credential. I will present to you today in this session the Rossler smartphone apps. These apps will let you turn your smartphone into a virtual credential, a soft credential, and actually make your mobile your new credential. Keep in mind that this application can be used only with Rossler readers who support Bluetooth technology. In fact, we're going to talk about two main applications. The first one is BLE ID, used to identify the user, and the second one is BLE Admin, used for configuration and reader management. But first, let's talk about Rossler's Smart Series. Let's see what it is. In fact, we are based on the CSN family. By the way, CSN stands for Card Serial Number. CSN family, which is a family of multi-credential readers, a family of readers that can read a wide range of smart cards, a wide range of 13.56 megahertz smart cards, a family that once we added Bluetooth technology to it, becomes the CSN Smart family. And the CSN Smart family is a family enabling the application of soft credentials on the smartphone. A family enabling managing and configuring readers that support BLE technology, and all that from the mobile. The CSN family also enables the use of NFC technology on Android phones. NFC stands for Near Field Communications. And we are using NFC technology for identifying the user by his cell phone. Keep in mind that the NFC ID app is part of Rossler's BLE ID app. Rossler's Smart Series. The following series support soft credentials using mobile app. The Smart Series actually includes 4 product lines: the CSN Select, the CSN Smart, the UHF Smart, and the Biometric Series. What is common to these 4 product lines is that they support user identification by mobile phone using soft credentials. The CSN Select family supports NFC technology only. The CSN Smart family supports both NFC and Bluetooth. And the UHF Smart family and the Biometric series support Bluetooth technology only. Okay, so let's move on now and talk about the apps themselves. We have apps available, and as we said, these are Bluetooth apps for utilizing our Rossler Bluetooth readers. We will first talk about the BLE ID app that allows user identification using soft credentials, which is available both on Android and iOS. Okay, so it's a local installation on your mobile device. It's a touch-free operation, which is really important nowadays with the COVID-19. Formally, the range on that is 39 feet, meaning 12 meters, but we have actually seen it quite longer. We have also tried it in a warehouse full of mezzanine shells and still get out of it a solid 35 feet range, I think. So it is pretty powerful read range. Each credential is unique to the device. So when you install it, the app, it utilizes the MAC address of your phone and creates a virtual credential based on that information. Once we are utilizing the Bluetooth technology for user identification, we're actually adding the reader another type of credential that can take part in applying the multi-factor authentication. No internet is needed, since the app resides only on the smartphone device and works in the background. It can be installed on a wide range of mobile devices currently on the market, mobile devices that have the Bluetooth functionality, the Bluetooth technology and capabilities. The BLE ID app for the Android not only has the Bluetooth function, but it's got the NFC function built in as well. So on the Android, NFC is available. It is an easy operation. You just open the app and choose the specific reader you need. Fast and easy adoption in organizations seeking to use mobile credentials. And we also developed a new SDK for the BLE ID app that allows a third party easily embed the BLE ID SDK within its own apps and authenticate its user to the Rossler's BLE readers. Keep in mind that those apps are free. The BLE ID apps are free in the Apple App Store and Google Play, and those are the ones that you really need for the car holders. Okay, so let's see now how it works. At first, the app scans the area and looks for Rossler's readers with Bluetooth capabilities. After the scan, the app displays to the user on his cell phone screen all the Rossler's readers within range of his device. We can configure the app to display only the readers relevant to that specific user. And now the user can choose the particular reader that he needs and touch it on his screen. This action will transmit the BLE ID to that specific reader. The reader will convert it to a Wiegand number and will transmit it to the controller that will have to make the decision whether to open the door or not, meaning grant or deny access. And of course, all of this will be registered in the log file. This is the place to mention that the Rossler Bluetooth readers not only support the Wiegand format, but soon OSDP as well. Now we're going to talk about the BLE admin app. The one that you will need to configure the Bluetooth readers is the BLE admin app. In fact, it is a management tool, an administration tool installed on the mobile device and enables the administrator configure our Rossler BLE readers. There are certain features you can change with the Bluetooth readers using these apps. For example, with the AYU 915 and 920, which are UHF smart readers that we will see in the upcoming slides, you can change the read rate and the read range. several functions you can actually customize for that particular reader with and through the Bluetooth BLE admin app. Things like Wigan output format, reader label, lockout code, and as in the BLE ID app, at operating range of up to 39 feet, 12 meters. The app gives the administrator a unique ID credential for his use. Once you have this app, it improves efficiency and productivity, making it very easy to deploy and manage the readers. And like in the BLE ID app, the BLE admin is a local installation as well. The app is on the device only. And as we said before, no internet is needed. Nowadays, almost every mobile device has the Bluetooth technology. So you can use almost every device on the market for those apps. And there is a charge for those apps, for the BLE admin apps. It is a one-time fee that you would use for your phone. But that is what you use to configure the reader when you set it out, that you name it, you give it a name, put in the password, all that kind of stuff. But it is a cost-effective solution, bringing new capabilities to the system, mobility capabilities. So now let's see which Rustlos readers support the Bluetooth technology and the Bluetooth apps. The first readers family is the CSN Smart family that includes two CSN readers with Bluetooth capabilities. The AYH6255BT, which is without keypad, and the AYH6355BT, which is with keypad. Both are multi-credential readers for smart cards, 13.56 MHz smart cards, readers that support most popular smart cards in the security industry. Then we have the UHF Smart long-range readers, the AYU 915 and 920. The 915 is a UHF reader for up to 6 meters, and the 920 is a UHF reader for up to 12 meters. And the last and not least, the 9000 biometric series. There is the AYB 9120 BT for the 125 kilohertz, and there is the AYB 9150 BT for the 13.56 megahertz, which are both fingerprint and RFID cards readers with fingerprint liveness check. And there is the AYB 9250 BT for the 13.56 megahertz, which is fingerprint and RFID reader with built-in camera and LCD screen, and also supports fingerprint liveness check. And guys, that's it. Thank you for being with us. Here is my contact information, my email and my cell phone. For any question, don't hesitate and feel free to contact me by mail or by phone. I will be more than happy to assist you. So see you then in our next session, and I wish you a great day. Bye.